Over 30 years of experience go into building MTU Kinetic PowerPacks at our Competence Center in Liège, Belgium. Delivering up to 2,750 kilovolt amperes and 2,640 kilowatts electric, both for 50 and 60 Hz frequencies, they support mission-critical power needs around the world. The MTU Kinetic PowerPack ensures reliable and environmentally friendly, uninterruptible power supply and conditioning of the highest quality. The system's dynamic UPS technology combines an MTU diesel engine with a kinetic energy accumulator via an electromagnetic clutch as well as additional auxiliary equipment. All components are tested directly in the assembly line prior to assembly. Each one undergoes thorough examination on the test bench. Afterward, the entire system is also subjected to rigorous testing. In total, up to 13 MTU Kinetic PowerPacks can be tested simultaneously. Following testing, they are readied for shipment around the world. And our commitment doesn't end with on-site installation. Each system is supported by comprehensive service solutions, from maintenance to training programs and remanufacturing. Thus, our Liège facility is not only a center of competency for manufacturing and testing, but also the heart of our service support, extending around the world through local sales and service centers.